A laptop. The next invention looks like something from Tony Stark's workshop. However, laptops that allow you to work with augmented and virtual reality are already real. This development is the brainchild of the American company Z-Space. The laptop works in conjunction with special glasses, which allow you to pull out images from the screen. Objects become three-dimensional, and then with the help of the controller, they can be moved and even edited. The developer states, "This technology greatly expands the opportunities for education. Augmented and virtual reality makes the lessons more interactive and entertaining. In addition, the technology helps finding an approach to any student. The development will be particularly beneficial in medicine. Students feel much more confident when making responsible decisions in a virtual environment." Foodum. The idea of restaurants where robots do all the work instead of people is not new. However, when another establishment of this kind opens somewhere, everyone writes about it. Foodum is a restaurant that was recently opened in Guangzhou, China. You'll not find any waiters, cooks, administrators, or even janitors here. Instead of a menu, there's a display with a list of possible dishes. Instead of waiters and bartenders, there are manipulators. Instead of a chef, of course, there's just another robot. In total, 46 robots work at this place. The idea of completely replacing people with robotic machines scares many people, but it's hard to deny the advantages of robots. Artificial intelligence doesn't need breaks, weekends, or vacations. Moreover, machines rarely make mistakes either. Every action is strictly programmed, so the dishes always turn out to be equally tasty. Amazingly, in Foodum, robots prepare a variety of dishes, from hamburgers, salads, and wok noodles to desserts.
Guys, thanks for watching. Please write in the comments what you liked most. Stay tuned, lots of exciting news is in store for you.